week, we are going to do some really fun things with twice baked potatoes. And we're going to jump right in. You first are going to get you some nice big russet potatoes like this, are really the best thing for this application. And then you got your nice little sheets of aluminum foil here. I've got heavy duty is what I'm using on this, a heavy duty aluminum foil. Then we're going to take our olive oil and we're just going to brush the outsides of the potato. You can do this with your hands, guys. Just get right into it. I just didn't want to get my hands completely all gloppy this time. So get it all nice and covered. One of the reasons I like doing it this way is I can control the amount of oil that's going on it, because I don't really want a lot. I just want some olive oil on it so that the salt and the pepper will stick. Flip that around. Okay, now just a little bit. We're going to wrap this up. And I'm going to wrap it like this because when this is done, I want to be able to easily remove that tin foil. That's why I'm not rolling it up. Method to my madness. And on to the next one. Now, guys, we've got our potatoes ready here. Now, the reason why you want to season those skins like that is so that when you cut down through the potato, if you like the skins, like I do, and obviously if you're making twice baked potatoes, you're probably going to want to eat the skins. That way you've got a seasoning on the skins and it's not just plain Jane. Now, they go into a preheated 400-degree oven until they're done. Okay guys, our potatoes are done and have cooled down a little bit. So we're going to bring them out of their little aluminum foil nests and we're going to cut them in half. Potatoes, when they're really big like this, they're going to take about an hour, just about an hour to get all the way done. And you want to slice them so that hopefully your skins stay intact. All right, just like that. Now, we're going to scoop out the insides. Yeah, it's kind of a trick right here because you want enough of the potato in there to hold on to it, right? To hold on to the skin. But you don't want so much potato that it has this layer of very bland potato that you're not able to flavor. Okay, now to our potatoes, we're going to add some Tony Shakers, just to give it a little bit of a kick. Then is going to go in about a half of a cup of sour cream. About 4 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to make sure that that's enough once we get that all blended in. All right, now at that point in time, we want to check for seasonings. Scrape that bowl down just a little bit as well. Oh, that's really good. Let's give it one more good turn around the bowl and then we're going to add our cheese. You know what, on second thought, I do feel like that's a little bit thick. We're going to add just a little bit more sour cream to loosen that up a little bit because we don't want it too thick once it's in the potato skins. Now we're going to stir in about a cup of cheddar cheese. I'm using this Sharpe white cheddar. Really like that. Okay, now we're smoothing that all up against those edges there. Seal that in. Almost ready. And then these are going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes just to warm through, once again, all the potato and that filling. Okay, then goes the bacon that we fixed, chopped bacon. And then some fresh chopped scallion. And we're going to finish with a little sprinkle of salt. And fresh cracked pepper. Oh my word, you guys, these smell so good already. I cannot wait for you guys to try these. Now, they're going to go back in for about 2 minutes just to warm that cheese, and then we're going to hit them with the broiler. Ha 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 ha. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness sakes. Did those not just look gorgeous? Loaded, twice baked potatoes. Oh my word. You're gonna make your family so happy. Well guys, I hope that you have enjoyed Potato Week so far. And don't forget, we've got 2 other videos coming out for you. And the other one is going to be a, get this, mac and cheese stuffed baked. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I'm so excited about that. But first, before we say adieu, we gotta give us a little taste test to our loaded twice baked potatoes. Oh, you guys, you guys are gonna like this. I'm telling you what. What is not to like? You got all the good stuff in there, right? Oh my word. So, when you guys give this a try, send me a little heart or something, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see this and all the other videos coming up for Potato Week. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.